Oh, this is your page 22. Okay, so new topic at the very top. I want you to write Dom 7. Dom 7 is the dominant 7, or you can call it 5-7. Okay, so you have three types of dominant 7: type 1, type 2, and type 3. And those are the numbers. Later, I'm going to show you how to count from the numbers. Okay, all right, so the key word here is in. The word in, the key on the root, and when you find major. Okay, so if you read this line right here, the instructions say write a dominant 7 chord in root position in this key. So it is the word in the key. So when you have this word, you use in key, you use 7 4 3 3. So you write a 7 4 3 3 here, then you can count the 7 4 3 3 half steps. Okay, all right, so most of them is very easy, but pay attention right here at the key of A major. That's why I make a very big circle. So how does that work? We're going to start from A, since it says A major. Okay, so you need your paper piano. So A major, you're going to start from A. You're going to count 7 half steps from this A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You got E, so you're going to write letter E. Okay, from E we're going to count 4 half steps. So is after you count 7, then you have to count 4. So now you start from E because you just got E, right? So E, 4 half steps. 1 2 3 4. So this black keys has 2 names. You can name it G sharp, or you can call it A flat. Okay, so we're going to pick a G sharp. I'm going to tell you why we have to pick a G sharp. Because what happened is eventually you're going to have a skip. You go from E, you skip F, you go to G. From G you have to go to B something. From B you have to go to D something. Okay, if you go from E to A, that means to skip 2. No, we don't want to skip 2 letters. We want to skip only 1 letter. So this note you should call it G sharp, but don't call it A flat. Okay? Alright, so you already count 7, you already count 4. Now you need to count 3. So from this G sharp, we're going to count 3 half steps. 1 2 3. Then you got B. You're going to write a B. Okay? If it's right key, it's easy. You don't need to think too much. And from this B, you're going to count 3 half steps. 1 2 3. So that one is D. This, the pink color one, is the correct answer. But I want you to pay attention to previously the student wrote E, then she wrote A flat, which I already explained. Don't use A flat. You have to use G sharp. Okay? So the correct answer is E, G sharp, B, D. Then you go write it out. So here's your E. I'm just going to put the dot E, G, B, D with a line. Then I put the G sharp over here. So that is your dominant 7 in the key of A major. Okay. The second number right here. So right here, you're going to read and then you're going to find out the word on and the word root. On, root. Then you know you got supposed to use 4 3 3 as your formula. Okay, so we're going to look at this example right here. So over here it has E flat, so you write E flat. And remember, now you're going to count 4 3 3. So we need a paper piano. We're going to start from E flat. E flat is here. Count 4 half step. 1 2 3 4. That one is a G. So I write G. From G, I'm going to count 3 half steps. 1 2 3. That one, you have 2 choices. Remember, all the black keys, you have 2 choices. You can call it A sharp, or you can call it B flat. Okay, so in this case, which one is correct, you think? Okay, so we're going to look. First, you already have letter E, right? Then you should skip F and you have letter G. Then you should skip A, then you should have letter B. Okay, so in this case, that means B flat is the correct one. And A sharp is the incorrect one, so I'm going to erase A sharp. This is erasable pen, very nice. So far we have E flat, G, B flat. Then from B flat, we're going to count 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. Again, this note has 2 choices. See, all the black keys, you have 2 choices. Let me write down both choices. You can have C sharp or you can have D flat. 2 choices. Okay, so which one are we supposed to use? See, you start from E, right? E or E flat? Let's look. It should be E, G, B, then skip C, go to D. Okay, so we've only skipped one letter, then we know C sharp is wrong. So the whole answer is E flat, G, B flat, D flat. Okay, so look at this answer that the student wrote. She wrote E flat, G, B flat, then she wrote C sharp. So that C sharp, not correct, okay? So don't copy this one. This is not correct. Okay, so we need this E flat. Now it's all correct. We need E flat, we need G, we need B flat, draw a line, and we need D flat. So here's your D flat, and here is your B flat. My goodness, so many flats. So total 3 flats. Did you see that? E flat, B flat, and D flat. So 3 flats over here. Only G that don't have flat. And one thing you should notice is once you draw your first circle, let's say your first circle is a space note, then all the rest of the circle should be space note, okay? And they should be stacking up together perfectly, just like a snowman, okay? If the lowest note is a line note, then all the notes should be line note that's stacking up perfectly like a snowman. So now you know how to do the dominant 7 page. Thank you.